Hey my pretty girlies, have you ever heard of a drawstring wig? Would you like to try a drawstring wig? If you want to see how I install this wig using a drawstring, keep on watching. The wig already comes pretty much ready to install. This is the whole drawstring mechanism right here. Literally a drawstring, and it scrunches up the back of the wig. You literally put it on. You can definitely adjust this wig band based upon the comfort of your head. So just literally pull the little band and you got your perfect fit. More than likely you will have to pull the lace from underneath the wig just to get it laying pretty nicely on your head. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and let you girls see what the back of the wig looks like with the drawstring. As you can see right here, I'm literally pulling the drawstring and it's giving me a more tighter, snug fit on the wig, causing me to not need any glue or spray, making the lace lay so flat on my head.